according to our request from you guys, you were asking for a longer demo. So here we are, basically in the same sheet. Alright, this is Google Sheet, and the tool has been installed, which takes less than 60 seconds, and you'll get access to how to set up the tool on Gumroad when you purchase the product. So for here, we have the questions all lined up, or prompts you can say. Those prompts, all we gotta do is either we could use ChatGPT 3.5 or 4.0, which both of these are actually included in the actual tool on Gumroad. So let's do the ChatGPT 4.0. Okay, we're gonna click run, and now we'll see that it copies over each prompt step by step and then answers them on your ChatGPT account, and then copies over the output, pastes it in Google Sheet. That's why you don't need an API to use it. So if you have a ChatGPT Plus, then you're one of the lucky guys, and you can utilize ChatGPT 4 in your workflow without even using or needing the API access. Yes, it's capped at 25 outputs in 3 hours. However, it's better than nothing. And also ChatGPT 3.5, you can utilize it as much as you want. So there's no cap. There's nothing on the ChatGPT 3.5. So you could enjoy as much as you want from applying this tool on your Google Sheets. Now, just to keep in mind, you need to have signed in on your ChatGPT account on the same browser, any Chromium browser, better to be Chrome or Brave or Mozilla, any Chromium browser, and just follow the setup tools that you will receive as soon as you hit the buy button on Gumroad. And I'm here 24/7 just for your help. As you see, this was requested about 10 hours ago, and I recorded this video just for your request. So we're waiting for the last prompt right here, which is what's 9 plus 10. And after that, we're going to go and check on the Google Sheets. It's going to refresh the last time, which means that we finished all the prompts. As we can go here. Here we go. Text column is the output column from ChatGPT, and those are the questions or prompts we actually fed into the ChatGPT. Alright, happy chatting. Let me know if you have any other questions, and feel free to ask or comment on Product Hunt on Gumroad for whatever reason you want. Peace out. Happy chatting.